My name is Hafsa. Before I say anything, ma'am, I want to say something to you. Ma'am, I'm a big fan of your personalities. I adore you. Ma'am, if you allow me, can I come and hug you?
Let me come upstairs and hug you.
नहीं जो बदला बदलना चाहती हूँ मैं साथ हवा के उड़ना चाहती हूँ मैं साथ हवा के उड़ना चाहती हूँ
I'm currently doing bachelor's in computer science from University of Sargodha. This year, the Honhar scholarship gave my parents a new ray of hope. It didn't just remove their financial burden, it opened a door to my dreams. And today, this laptop in front of me, it's not just a gift, it's a bridge between real talent and real opportunities. This laptop is my promise. I will work hard, I will innovate, and I will make Pakistan proud.